Hey, if you haven't heard, I've created this exclusive group for all of you to learn more tips and hacks about credit building, Navy Federal, high limit credit cards, investing, business credit, and much more. I'm going to be posting more tips and hacks that I can't post on YouTube. So make sure you go subscribe right now at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. It's 50% off for the next 50 subscribers right now. On this channel, I have helped people get over 600,000 in credit, removing over 5,000 inquiries, and also removing 200 collections. Wait, there is more, and you don't want to miss it in this group. So make sure you join right now. See you there.
Hello everyone, it's your girl Designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about, should you increase your credit limit? So if you're interested, stay tuned. So top reasons that you should increase your credit limit. Of course, I'm going to tell you to increase your credit limit, but I want to give you the top reasons if you're thinking about increasing your credit limit. This has been a common question on if you should increase your credit limit or not through the comments, and I want to address this for you guys. So you should increase your credit limit as long as it won't make you overspend. I know that we are going through some tough times with COVID-19 pandemic, and we're going through holidays. However, you should increase it if it won't make you overspend. You must be responsible with this credit limit increase if you are approved. Increasing your credit limit will be very tempting on spending depending on the amount that you receive. And you want to make sure that what you spend is what you can pay back. Again, it is a credit card. So as soon as you spend it, you are now in debt with that credit card issuer. So keep in mind, a credit limit increase is not like getting paid. This is a credit limit increase that if you decide to spend, you are now in debt of what you spend. Plus, there are fees and interest if you do not pay back at the end of the month or whenever your statement date is due. So keep in mind that a credit limit increase does more than just give you an increased spending power. It also gives you the potential to lower your credit to improve your credit score. So I do get a common question about, well, will I get an increase if I maxed out my credit card? Yes, you can get an increase if you max out your credit card. However, it won't be as high because your credit is maxed out. However, if you decide to increase your credit, since it's maxed out, it will lower your utilization, which will make your credit score higher than what it is because your utilization is going down. However, I do suggest you picking up a side hustle or picking up any extra additional income to improve that utilization and get it down. It will also leave you better prepared to face a financial emergency. So especially right now, we are going through a lot of decision making. We are going through a lot of just tough times where we may need that extra help. So keep in mind, if you do get a credit limit increase, you can now use that for financial emergencies only, not to spend at Gucci or Louis Vuitton or buying the new PS5. No, you can use your credit limit increase for financial emergencies like buying food for your children, buying additional essential things that you need around the house, stuff like that. You will want to use that credit limit increase for financial emergencies. It will also reduce the chance that you'll max out your credit card as well. If you do a credit limit increase, it will allow you to not be able to max out your credit card because your credit limit has increased, which allows you to pay debt down as well as having it report as 100% utilization. Examples of what a credit limit increase will look like if you decide to get one. So let's just say you have a $500 credit limit on your credit card. If you spend $200 in a month, you have 40% credit utilization. If your credit limit goes up to $800, you still spend just $200, but now your utilization will increase to 20%. Anything under 30% is good for your credit score, and you're not overusing your utilization. This is really great. So this is what it looks like of why you should increase your credit limit, but not increase your spending only if you need to during financial emergencies. So getting an increase can help you reduce your utilization percentage without having to cut back on your expenses. Plus, if you already have a low utilization, a credit limit increase can allow you to spend more without hurting your score. So these are just prime examples of why getting a credit limit increase is important.
Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express ink removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you check out my group at onlyfans.com/Soapbox, where we share exclusive hacks and tips that we can't post on YouTube. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at Designer Soapbox. And make sure you check out those ebooks where you can remove your hard inquiries, late payments, in collections, and charge-offs from your credit report. Make sure you go check it out right now at www.designersoapbox.com. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, I love you all.